Today's discussion hits home for many, the gradual loss of muscle after age 60. It sneaks up quietly, standing takes more effort, legs feel less steady, and stairs that were once easy now feel daunting. But today, we'll share Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara's breakthrough for stronger legs. Japan's oldest active doctor, over 100 and still practicing, walking, treating patients, writing, lecturing, and rising each day with purpose. Dr. Hinohara is living evidence that muscle can be maintained or restored well beyond when most give up. He notes that many think rebuilding muscle after 60 demands gym sessions, heavy weights, or specialized supplements. Yet, from observing Japan's healthiest seniors, he's learned that food, not exercise, is the real secret. No trainer or rigid routine is required, just a rhythm in what you eat, when you eat, and how it nourishes the systems that sustain your strength. Today's episode, despite its title, isn't focused on a single miracle ingredient, but on 5 foods that restore muscle in seniors without exercise. One remarkable food, however, stands out, meeting nearly all your body's needs. We'll unveil it last, along with a fantastic bonus recipe, so stick with us to the end. These foods, recommended for decades, preserve strength and independence, improve balance and mental clarity, and reduce injuries. Patients in their 70s, 80s, and 90s have regained confidence by nourishing smarter, not exercising harder. Muscles ensure stability for daily life. After 60, the goal is functional freedom. I'm thrilled to share this. Before we proceed, I have 2 small requests. For your health, if you want more strength and vitality after 60, as Dr. Hinohara teaches, subscribe, leave a like, and write "I choose my strength" in the comments. Also, share this video with a loved one. These 5 foods, natto, sardines, seaweed, sesame seeds, and sweet potatoes, enhance mobility and well-being for a longer, fuller life. Let's dive in. What's the first food? Number 1 is fermented soy, particularly natto. Most Westerners haven't heard of it. It's sticky, stringy, and frankly, smells a bit odd. But natto is one of Japan's most powerful muscle-protective foods. It contains nattokinase, a unique enzyme that supports circulation, essential for delivering nutrients to muscle cells. It's also rich in vitamin K2, which directs calcium to bones, not arteries. But the real secret is its complete protein profile. Unlike most plant foods, natto has all 9 essential amino acids, and for seniors who struggle to digest heavier proteins, this is a game changer. Natto is also packed with probiotics, beneficial bacteria that aid digestion and improve nutrient absorption, making everything you eat work harder for your body. The texture takes getting used to, but the benefits are worth it. Some Japanese elders I know eat natto for breakfast every day and still climb hills in their 90s. Fascinating. It's fermented, right? So it's good for the gut too? Exactly. A healthy gut means better absorption. That matters because if your digestion is weak, you can eat the best food and still not benefit. It's a simple but powerful idea. Many focus on what to eat, not how well their body uses it. Gut health might be the missing link for many seniors. The idea that a sticky, odd-smelling bean can do so much changes how I think about food. Try it once, stir it well, add mustard or soy sauce. It's an acquired taste but a small price for lasting strength. So natto is first. What's next? Second is sardines or any small oily fish. They're rich in omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and support protein synthesis, the building of new muscle. Sardines also contain vitamin D and calcium, crucial for bone strength. Unlike larger fish, sardines have low mercury levels, making them safe to eat often. In Japan, elders often have grilled sardines for breakfast, just a few pieces. Over time, it makes a difference, not just in muscle tone, but in balance, coordination, and brain health. Sardines provide CoQ10, a nutrient that supports mitochondrial function, meaning more cellular energy. They also contain selenium, a trace mineral often lacking in seniors, which plays a key role in antioxidant defense. That means better recovery, stronger immunity, and less soreness from daily activities. People overlook balance. It's not just about strength, but staying upright. I love the point about energy. Many seniors feel tired, and maybe it's not just about rest, but cellular energy production. Absolutely. Strong muscles protect against falls, and omega-3s keep the nervous system alert, vital for coordination. Energy is part of that equation. Sardines give you the building blocks and the power to use them. Just one small tin of sardines 2 or 3 times a week can support muscle and brain resilience for years. That's so important, and I'll definitely recommend my patients include this in their weekly habits. Now tell me about the third on your list. Seaweed, one of my personal favorites. It sounds unusual, but seaweed is a silent powerhouse, packed with minerals, magnesium, iodine, potassium, all essential for muscle contraction and recovery. Seaweed also supports thyroid health, which regulates metabolism. A well-functioning metabolism is critical for preserving lean mass. It's a rich source of antioxidants and polysaccharides, compounds that reduce inflammation and feed beneficial gut bacteria. That's a double win. Less breakdown, more build-up. Seaweed also regulates hormones tied to energy and muscle tone. It's anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, and surprisingly versatile. Add it to soups, salads, or soak and eat it as a side. I always thought of seaweed as decoration, but you're saying it's deeply restorative. Yes, and I'm realizing something. Everything you've mentioned isn't just a superfood. It has tradition, rhythm, and real purpose in the diet. Seaweed isn't flashy, but fundamental. Exactly, and for seniors with limited dietary variety, seaweed fills key nutrient gaps. It's gentle, powerful, and completely natural. No side effects, no adjustments needed. Your thyroid, your metabolism's engine, loves it. All right, we've got natto, sardines, seaweed. Let's move to number 4, sesame seeds. Small but mighty, they're rich in calcium, magnesium, and healthy fats, supporting muscle and joint health. They contain sesamin, a compound that aids liver detoxification and hormone balance, especially in seniors. Sesame seeds are a great source of plant-based protein and lignans, natural compounds that reduce oxidative stress, the damage that ages muscles faster. They're easy to add to stir-fries, rice, salads. Just grind and sprinkle. Mix ground sesame into miso paste or use it as a topping on warm porridge. The flavor is mild, but the benefits are lasting, supporting mobility by nourishing joints, tendons, and tissues. That's new to me. I've used sesame oil but never thought much about the seeds. Reducing muscle aging at the cellular level isn't discussed much, but it makes sense. Whole seeds offer fiber and minerals. Oil is good in moderation, but seeds give more value, especially when freshly ground. They're one of the easiest, most overlooked additions. Every spoonful is prevention. Now we're at the 5th, the one everyone's waiting for, surprising most people. What is it? It's sweet but tough. You can roast, mash, bake, or pair it with spices, butter, or cream. I'm talking about sweet potatoes, especially the purple ones common in Okinawa. They're rich in complex carbs, fiber, and antioxidants. Most importantly, they're gentle on the digestive system and maintain steady blood sugar, crucial for muscle repair. Sweet potatoes contain beta-carotene and anthocyanins, compounds that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. They don't just give energy, they protect the cells that create it. They also regulate leptin and ghrelin, hormones controlling hunger and fullness, helping seniors feel satisfied without overeating. They're deeply satisfying. In Japan, many elders eat them steamed with a pinch of sea salt or chilled as a midday snack. They're sweet, grounding, and help maintain a healthy weight without deprivation. The resistant starch in sweet potatoes feeds healthy gut bacteria, creating a positive loop for digestion, immunity, and recovery. They're incredibly versatile. Pair with greens, tofu, fish, or enjoy plain. Their ability to satisfy, nourish, and stabilize energy makes them an unsung hero of longevity. I love that. I've always seen sweet potatoes as comfort food, but you've redefined them as muscle, brain, and gut food all in one. Absolutely. Chosen wisely and timed well, carbs can be a healing tool for aging bodies. It's not about the quantity, but the message the food sends. Sweet potatoes say you're safe, supported, and can rebuild. That's a fresh perspective. Often, seniors are told to cut carbs, eat less, and accidentally undernourish themselves. Muscles don't grow in deficit, they grow in balance. You're reframing the conversation. It's not about cutting, but choosing foods that work with the body, not against it. Exactly. These 5 remarkable foods, natto, sardines, seaweed, sesame seeds, and sweet potatoes, are far from exotic in Japan. They are cherished dietary staples that have sustained generations. These nutrient-rich ingredients are the cornerstone of a lifestyle that keeps Japanese elders remarkably strong, mentally sharp, and effortlessly mobile well into their 90s and beyond. No need for gym memberships, no reliance on protein powders or synthetic supplements, just the profound power of nature, combined with the rhythm of mindful eating and the consistency of time-honored traditions. The impact of these foods is nothing short of extraordinary, offering a blueprint for vitality that anyone can adopt. As we wrap up, let's consider a practical first step for those inspired to make a change. If you're wondering where to begin this week, let me offer a simple yet transformative suggestion. Start with breakfast. Incorporate just one of these powerful ingredients into your morning meal. Perhaps it's a teaspoon of freshly ground sesame seeds sprinkled over your toast or oatmeal, or a small portion of grilled sardines served alongside your eggs. This small act serves as a signal to your body. We are nurturing strength, resilience, and longevity from within. Approach this meal with intention, sit down calmly, breathe deeply, and chew slowly, savoring each bite. Transform your breakfast into a ritual of restoration, a moment to reconnect with your body's needs. This is the essence of how meals are, enjoyed in Japan, and it's a key reason why their elders continue to thrive with such grace and vitality. Now, dear viewers, we've arrived at the moment you've all been eagerly awaiting, the bonus recipe that brings Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara's wisdom to life. We're excited to share a unique and thoughtfully crafted dish, the Japanese strength bowl for longevity. This recipe masterfully combines all 5 of the incredible ingredients we've discussed: natto, sardines, seaweed, sesame seeds, and sweet potatoes into a single harmonious meal. Far more than just a delicious dish, this bowl is a true elixir of health, meticulously designed to nourish your muscles, sustain your energy levels, and enhance overall well-being, particularly for those over 60. What makes this recipe so special is its simplicity. It's easy to prepare even for those new to Japanese cuisine, and will guide you through each step with clear instructions to ensure success. By preparing this meal, you're not just cooking, you're embracing a ritual of restoration, mirroring the mindful eating practices of Japan's longest-living elders. Are you ready to bring a taste of Japan into your kitchen and infuse your life with the secrets of longevity? Let's dive into the recipe and start this journey together. Japanese strength bowl for longevity. For this single-serving recipe, you'll need a small sweet potato, preferably purple if available, 150-200 gram, 50 g natto, found in Asian stores or specialty supermarkets, a small tin of sardines in oil, drained 80-100 gram, 1 TBSP dried wakame seaweed, 1 TSP toasted sesame seeds, ground or whole for extra crunch, 1 TSP low-sodium soy sauce, optional, 1 TSP Japanese karashi mustard or Dijon mustard, optional for natto, 1 cup cooked brown rice, or white rice for a traditional texture, 1 TBSP chopped fresh green onion for garnish, optional, a pinch of sea salt for the sweet potato. Instructions. Start with the sweet potato. Wash and steam or bake at 200 degrees, 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until soft. Alternatively, microwave for 5-7 minutes. Once cooked, peel if desired, cube or lightly mash with a fork, and season with a pinch of sea salt to enhance its natural flavor. For the natto in a small bowl, mix with soy sauce and mustard, if included, or desired, stir well until it becomes stickier and stringier, a step that makes the flavor more approachable, especially for first-timers. For the seaweed, soak dried wakame in warm water for 5 minutes, then drain and gently squeeze. Chop into smaller pieces if needed. To assemble the bowl, place a base of cooked brown rice in a bowl. Add the cubed or mashed sweet potato on one side. Place a portion of natto next to it. Add the drained sardines, lightly flaking them with a fork for even distribution. Scatter the wakame seaweed over or beside the other ingredients. Sprinkle toasted sesame seeds over the dish for crunch and a nutty flavor. Finish with a sprinkle of chopped green onion for freshness. Serve immediately, ideally as a nourishing breakfast or light meal, following Dr. Hinohara's advice to make the meal a ritual of restoration. Sit, breathe, and eat slowly to savor the flavors and benefits. This bowl is a health powerhouse. The sweet potato provides complex carbs, fiber, beta-carotene, and anthocyanins for stable energy and cellular protection. Natto offers complete proteins, probiotics, and nattokinase for muscle health and circulation. Sardines are rich in omega-3s, vitamin D, and selenium for muscles, bones, and cellular energy. Wakame seaweed brings minerals like magnesium and iodine, plus antioxidants for metabolism and inflammation. Sesame seeds contribute calcium, magnesium, and lignans for muscle and joint health. If natto is too intense, reduce the amount or swap it with soft tofu seasoned with soy sauce. For an extra touch, try adding a teaspoon of miso diluted in warm water as a light dressing for the rice. This bowl is versatile, adapted based on available ingredients or preferences, while keeping the focus on nutrient-dense, easy-to-digest foods. Did you enjoy this video? Let me know by leaving a 0-10 rating in the comments. Your feedback helps me understand if these tips are truly helping. Also, share what city you're watching from to see how far Dr. Hinohara's words reach. If you're inspired to eat better, leave a comment with "I choose better foods" to show your commitment to a healthier, vibrant lifestyle. Before we go, check out related videos to dive deeper into how natto, sardines, seaweed, sesame seeds, and sweet potatoes can boost your health. Watch them to the end to take the best care of yourself. Subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Thanks for staying with me. A big hug and wishes for a long, energetic life. See you soon.